All right, today we're going to show you how to remove and replace bent or broken hinge. And what tools you're going to need for this job is going to be just a flat screwdriver and your square tip bit or a Phillips bit, depending on what's used to hold your hinge on there. So this one has the square tip, so we're going to go ahead and start out by removing these hinges. Get these screws out of here. You got to watch holding the tips of these. They get warm back in the mouth there, so. Right, once you get the screws out there, just get your screwdriver back in behind it and pop it off, and you're good to go. And then we'll get that new hinge out. Get it started in the same holes there. We'll get the ones on the end started at each corner here. And then work our way back in. And that is it.